Hey love bugs, Send out here coming at you with another video. Vegan tuna salad. That's right, vegan tuna salad. So first I'm gonna get all these veggies chopped up. So I'm gonna start with celery, of course, and then after the celery is all chopped up, and keep in mind you want to chop everything really fine. And then I'm gonna be using one red onion. This is like a little less than half, because this was just enough for me, because I didn't really know whether or not my husband was gonna like it. And let's just say I only got to eat what's in this video, the sandwich, because he killed the rest of it. Anywho, next I'm gonna chop up some peppers. And these peppers I absolutely love because they're actually the sweet peppers. So they're not just like the regular ones, they're the sweet ones. So it gives a really nice sweet kick to it. Girl, it's good, girl. Just chop them up, girl. And then you're also gonna see I make sure everything is mixed up together really fine. Okay, so now all the veggies are chopped up to my liking. So let's get these bad boys smooth out of the way. Now I'm gonna just chop up a couple of cucumbers because these are gonna go on top of my sandwich, kind of like as a topper, if you will. I think these cucumbers are so cute. So anywho, we're gonna use garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. They have been drained thoroughly, and now I am just going to mash them up with my hands. And I mean, you could use like a potato masher, but it just gives me the perfect consistency. And right now with me mashing up the chickpeas, what I'm doing is creating the same consistency that you're gonna get if you do like an egg salad. So here are the seasonings that I'm using. I'm gonna leave all of these ingredients in the description box below, just in case you can't catch them all in time. And you guys make sure you put in your favorite seasonings, but this smoked paprika is a must. Like, you have to have it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So after I mix all of the seasonings in thoroughly, you have to make sure you do this one at a time because you want all of the seasonings to mash with the garbanzo beans. Now you're gonna go ahead and add all of your chopped veggies, stir those in. It's gonna be so good. Just trust me, don't knock it till you try it. Now I'm putting approximately about 4 tablespoons of vegan mayo, and then I just put about 2 tablespoons of vegan sweet relish. And now I'm just gonna mix everything up, girl. We just mixing stuff up, girl. I'm telling you, like, I didn't even tell my husband that this wasn't tuna, and he was in love. And I'm gonna tell you what that secret ingredient is in a minute, but just keep mixing. And so next, I'm gonna finish it off with my toppings. I'm just gonna do some sliced avocado. Now this is my favorite way to cut an avocado, just slicing it straight in a circle and then twisting it and it pops smooth off. So I'm just slicing the avocado. You can make the slices as thin or as thick as you like. I love avocado, plus I need a little bit more fat, and as you know, avocado is a healthy fat. So I'm just swooping it all out and putting it on my little plate, and it comes out easy. So now I'm just putting a little bit of spinach on top, and this is the fishy flavor, Old Bay seasoning. You cannot forget Old Bay seasoning. I put approximately 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning in, and it gives this really nice seafoody taste. So now I am just topping this sandwich. I've already toasted the bread, and there's just spinach on the bottom, our tuna salad, and then some tomatoes and those cucumbers and that avocado. And if you like, you can just sprinkle a little bit of pink Himalayan salt over the top and a little bit of pepper, but I just left it like this, and it was so magical. So you guys make sure you try this out if you're not doing so already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and make sure you tag me in the post. And look at that big ass strawberry. Like, what in the world? And it's an organic one too, but it's huge, so I had to take a picture of it. So So you guys make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Let me know what you think about this video, and give me a comment below and let me know if you want more vegan recipes. I love you so much. Bye. See you on my next video.